Okay, Bella, Alistair, and Hazen. Oh, look at the animals. Hazen, what animal is this? A goat. Say goat. Goat. Oh, look. Alistair, goat. Okay, goat. Bella, look. Goat. Okay, next one. How about this one? Look. Hazen, look at picture. What animal is this? Waiting hands. Oh, look. What animal is this? Hazen. It's horse. Yes, horse. Waiting hands po. Waiting hands. Oh, look, horse. Okay, wait hands. Alistair. Next, look. Deer. Say deer. Do not touch. Deer. Oh, look. Deer. Very good. Oh, next one. Dog. Okay, dog. Oh, look, Bella. Dog. Alistair, look. Oh, waiting hands. Do not grab. Wait hands. Next. Cat. Waiting hands po. Wait, teacher. Next. Okay, cat. Next. Bella, look. Bella. Sheep. Oh, look, Alistair. Sheep. Oh, do not touch. Sheep. Very good. And last one. Oh, this one. What animal is this? It's cow. Very good. Oh, waiting hands. So we're going to look for the mother of the baby animals. Okay. Oh, look, Hazen. Where is the mother of the puppy? Where is the mother of the puppy? Okay. It's good job, dog. Good job, Hazen. Next one, Alistair. How about the teacher? How about the kitten? Where is the mother of the kitten? Go, Alistair. Where is the mother of the kitten? Kitten and okay, cat. Oh, go. Put it together. Put it properly. Okay, good job, Alistair. Next one, Bella, your turn. How about lamb? Lamb and okay, sheep. Good job, Bella. Go. Put it together. Put it together. Go. Go. Okay, good job. Next one, Hazen, your turn. Next, how about the fawn? Fawn and is it goat, horse, deer? Which one? Fawn and waiting hands, Bella. Fawn and which one here? Deer or cow? Fawn and where's the mother of the fawn? Okay, deer. Oh, go. Put it together. Put it together. Go. Okay, good job, Hazen. Waiting hands, Bella. Next one, Alistair. How about the kid? Waiting hands, kid and goat or horse? Okay, goat. Good job. Waiting hands, Bella. Wait hands. Okay, next.
Hello, Hazen, Alistair, and Bella. You're going to sort the animal if it's baby or mother. Hazen goes. Okay. What is that? Go, let's go. What is this? Hazen, what is this? Pig. Pig is a baby or a mother? Pig. Oh no, it's a mother. Oh, next. Alistair. Okay. Tiger. Alistair. Tiger. Oh, it's like red. Oh no, hold. It's like no. Tiger and Alistair. Go. No, go. Go. Dive. Wow. Alistair, tiger is a mother or a baby? Oh no, tiger is a mother. Okay, next. Bella. Hold on. Calf. Go, Bella. Wait. Down. Slide down. Careful. Wait, you're the teacher. Now, wait. It's a baby. Okay, next. Hazen. 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 Piglet. Oh, step. Go. Go. Go, Hazen. Go. Oh, careful. Go. Piglet. Piglet is a mother or a baby? Okay, baby. Good job. Next. Alistair. 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 Hop. Hop.
Let's wait. Wait.
No. It's a red. It's a red.
Bella.
Hop. Mother or baby? Okay, good job. Next, Bella. Horse. The lights are red, guys. Red. Go, Bella. Go, Bella. Go. Go. Horse. Okay. Horse. Bella, horse is a baby or mother? Horse. Okay, good job, everyone.
Okay, Bella, Alistair, and Hazen. We're going to match the mother to his baby animal. Hazen, come here. Hazen, come and look at teacher. Go to teacher Ella. Okay, look. What animal is this, Hazen? Giraffe. Where is the baby of the giraffe? Oh, look. Where is the baby of the giraffe? Is it the bunny or calf? Okay, calf. Let's connect the dots. Connect the dots. Draw a line. Go. Start here. Draw a line. Calf. Here. Okay, good job, Hazen. Sit down, go. Sit down. Wait for your turn. Next one. Alistair. Sit down, go. Go back to your seat. You wait for your turn. Alistair, next. Come here. How about the kangaroo? Where is the baby kangaroo?
Wait for your turn.
Wait. Okay, Joey. Good job. Next one. Bella, your turn. Bella. Your turn. It's okay. Bella, come here. Bella. Okay, Bella, how about the seal? Where is the baby of the seal? Is it the pup or the foal? Go. Pup or foal? Here. One more. Again. Go. A pup or foal? Go. Here. Pup. Again, Bella. One more. Go. Pup. Okay, good job, Bella. Next, Hazen, your turn. Come here. Your turn. How about the bear? Where is the baby of the bear? Is it the pup or calf? Hold it properly. Bear. We can just bear. Yes, or bear. Cow. Where's the cow? Okay, good job, Hazen. Go, sit down. For your turn. Sit down. Go back to your seat. Go, sit down. Alistair, your turn. Alistair, not your turn. Alistair, Alistair, come here. Okay, look, how about the monkey and look at fun. Okay. Good job, Alistair.
Okay,
Bella,
Wait for your turn, Hazen.
Bella.
Yes.
Come here. Next.
Wait for your turn.
And
Wait for your turn, Hazen.
Hazen, your turn.